Hi there, my name is Shinier. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's review the Dentitox Pro formula. What is the Dentitox Pro formula? What does it contain? What are the benefits? What is the price? Where can I get it? And what does it really do? What does it really do? All of these questions will be answered in this video, and I hope you will stay on to the end of it. If you find this video useful and you find this product very important, I would like that you click on the link in the description, which will lead you to the official website for this product, and you will get it at a discounted price. The Dentitox Pro formula, the perfect way, the simple way to maintain your perfect smile, as captioned on this product, is a new dietary supplement that embraces natural ingredients and nutrients. It works to strengthen the teeth and gums by targeting the root cause of gums and tooth infection. But how effective is the supplement? To begin with, Dentitox Pro is unique in the form that in the fact that it comes, or it's available as oral drops. Many people like to take capsules. Many people are used to capsules, but the Dentitox Pro comes in the form of oral drops. This product, the Dentitox Pro, contains no toxins, no additives or fillers, and according to Mark Hall, the brain behind this product, it is 100% safe, effective, and non-GMO, made under precise conditions. How then do these products come? These products are purchased in packs of 3, 5, and as a single bottle. These products are very available, and you will have to get them at a discounted price by clicking at the link in the description of this video. What are the chemical contents of this product? What are the chemical contents? Because it's very important that you know exactly what is inside the product, and again, you know the function of each chemical as found inside the product. So the first one we'll be talking about is collagen. So collagen is found inside this product, and what does collagen do? Collagen helps to bind the teeth firmly in the gum, to keep the teeth in the gums. So that's the importance of it in this product. The second ingredient, or the second chemical content of this product, is MSM, the methylsulfonylmethane. So this natural chemical is found to provide faster recovery from sensitivity, toothaches, and even gum diseases. The third chemical content is the Indian licorice root extract, which helps to prevent tooth decay and gum diseases. The fourth is the xylitol. The xylitol helps to prevent the growth of harmful oral. The fifth ingredient contained in this product is the spearmint or peppermint, which helps to combat bad breath. It's so good, like natural peppermint. If you get it, so many people use peppermint. They use a lot of bubble gum and mint to reduce bad breath, and this product contains this ingredient, which automatically saves you a lot from buying extra peppermint to reduce to combat bad breath. The sixth chemical, or the sixth ingredient contained in this product is our sixth ingredient in this product is phosphorus. We all know what phosphorus does to our body, and this product can't go without containing vitamins. So you can see we have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2. These are all the vitamins that are very important for our dental health and oral health. The last but not the least is the calcium, potassium, and zinc. We know what all of these helps to do, and we know that they help us to strengthen the bone, and these ingredients are all present in the small bottle that we have. With all of these products mentioned, with all of these ingredients mentioned, what then are the benefits? What then are the benefits of the Dentitox Pro formula? The Dentitox Pro formula from the ingredients mentioned above will definitely strengthen your teeth. The Dental Pro formula will strengthen your teeth. The Dental Pro formula will give you greater oral hygiene. It maintains greater oral hygiene. With the Dental Pro formula, you will forget about teeth decay. You will forget about tooth decay. You will forget about mouth odor. Yes, because of the spearmints that we just had a while ago. And with this Dental Pro, it will reduce oral diseases and inflammations. You get it? So this product is really good. Dentitox Pro will give you whiter and shinier teeth. You know, it builds self-confidence. A lot of people I know, they're very shy. They don't want to talk maybe in front of the camera or for their friends. They try to always cover their mouth, and because they don't want their friends to see exactly how they look. But then this Dentitox Pro formula builds this confidence in you. And it's been noticed that this also acts as the outside of the product, because with so many shiny teeth around, you know, it affects the next person's eyes. So it's kind of haha, never mind, we're talking about the Dentitox Pro. And the last one is it maintains oral health. So it's very beneficial. It's very good. And like I said, if you really feel that this product is so nice and this is exactly what you want to give to maintain a good dental health, then you should look at the link in the description of the video. And with all of this, what then is the price for the product? This product, like I said before, comes in packs, and it's readily available only through the link in the description at a discounted price. So we can get the basic pack, which is a bottle, and we can get the best value, which is about 6 bottles, and we can get the most popular, which is 3 bottles. And look at the prices. They are so good. These are the prices that you will get once you click on the link in the description, because instead of $99 per bottle, you will get it at $69. So isn't that a good discount? So thank you so much, and I hope that this in-depth kind of review what the Dentitox Pro is all about, and I wish you a healthy, shinier teeth. This is the simple way to maintain a perfect smile. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if it did good for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.